Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access notifications. Following that, click on App Settings and simply click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by tapping on the same Now Gray switcher. You can also tap on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!